clouds, but it's really cold. Like last night as well was very cold. I don't know what happened, but it was like super cold. Camera is going in adventure. Gonna fly a little bit the drone. Yeah, it's not very windy. It's very nice. We're gonna go up the hill, somewhere there, get some cool shots. Is sweating now. Woo! After this little adventure.
Well, it looked cool on the drone, but Jesus Christ, it's a workout. So we've just pulled over to the side of the road, and as we're driving we noticed that it's very like dry out here. It looks very dry and yellowy and all of that, and then all of a sudden you come across this water that is just ridiculously blue. Like, it is blue. We drove past like a place where they do catch all the salmon. We didn't pull over, I wish we did, but we're running out of time as we've got to get to Lake Tekapo. But just check out how blue this water is. Is this cool or what?
Very cool. Wow, I want to touch the water.
I need you now. If you lead, I'll follow. I'm reaching out. So won't you love me better? I'm waiting here. I need you now. Gravity can't hold us down, so just take me there. So won't you love me better? I'm waiting here. I need you now. Gravity can't hold us down, so just take me there to higher.
After a very interesting ride to Lake Tekapo, Lake Tekapo, however you pronounce it, we have arrived here at the campsite right next to the Tekapo hot springs, which we're about to go and enjoy the hot pools. Yeah, thank you. Here we are at the hot pools at Tekapo. Oh yeah. It's very cool with the mountains in the background.